submitted exercise 1 only and few not any. So my request is, please submit your assignment as soon as possible, because today is the last day. From next week, means coming week, we'll start next unit. So this is the last day for the first unit. So let me check the question, dear students. Are you listening? Please the response in chat box. I am looking and I'm observing your response, dear students. Yes, thank you very much. Now let's start the question. In a class of 60 students, 40 students like to play cricket, 30 like to play volleyball. Also, each student likes to play at least one of the two games. I will explain once. In a class of 60 students, it means it's a universal set. Total number of students is given here. 40 students like to play cricket, that is first set. If we suppose A, that will be number of A. If we suppose C, that will be number of C, that I already mentioned you that. 30 like to play volleyball, this is the second set. And the next important part is, dear students, each students like to play at least one of the two games. This is very important. At least one of two games. It shows there is no complement part. In the first or second class, I have defined about union of sets. In that, the members within a set A or B or both, that is union, I explain. Now at least one of two games mean in all, means set A and set B, either in only in set or in both sets or in only in B. So there is no complement part. You have to understand from this word at least one of two games. Please note down yourself. At least one of two games means there is no complement. All the members or the students lie on the set A and B and or both. So next step, here I have represented the set A is a C and set B is B, because cricket C and volleyball B I have taken. And now look at here, dear students. Universal set is 60. First set C is 40. Second set B is 30. Intersection is, how many students like to play both games? It means intersection is to find. So illustrate the above information by a Venn diagram. So each student likes to play at least one game. So number of U equal to number of C union B. I have clarified here also, dear students. In your examination, you should not mention this. But here to make you more specific or means clear, I have given the justification as well. So now moving to the next part, dear students. Here we have to illustrate the given information after the calculation of this, so that first by using formula we have, for that by using formula, dear students, here what is the formula of union of two sets? That is number of C plus number of B minus number of C intersection B equal to number of C union B. It is known for my students. I know that. Yeah. So what is number of C? You can see from here. You can take from this list. It is 40. What is number of B? Which is 30. And intersection part? Not. So dear students, sometimes we will suppose intersection or complement part by the variable like x or y. But here, without assumption, without supposition, also we can solve it. So I have kept here number of C intersection B equal to number of C intersection B. It is also clear for us. Yes, now union is 60. You know 30 plus 40 plus 30 is 70, minus this equal to 60. 70 minus 60 equal to 10. So we obtain the intersection part is 10. Here I have not supposed the intersection part is x. I believe you understand that we haven't supposed that directly using the same symbol taken from the formulae. I have find number of C intersection B equal to 10, dear students. Now the next step, dear student, 10 students like to play both the games. That is the conclusion from the derived from the formula. Now the given information we have to illustrate in the Venn diagram. Here you can see the Venn diagram, dear students. C is 30, intersection is 10, and B is 20. Here is number of C is 40, dear students. So here 30 plus 10 becomes 40. Sometimes you may have confusion. You may write 40 in this part. That will be wrong because this represent only intersection part. So number of only C is 30 because we can subtract intersection part, or 30 plus 10 becomes 40. I mean intersection, after obtaining the intersection part, 10 you can write in the middle, and remaining from set C, that is 30, you can write in this side, and 30 minus 10 equal to 20 you can write here. Complement part is not here, anything, nothing here. That's why this is the appropriate Venn diagram of the given sets. I believe you understand this solution. I will give 2 more minutes. If you need, you can copy this, dear students. Now start now. Let's start now.
Sir, sir,
Yes, please.
sir,
Aryasri, yeah.
sir, I'm Sanskriti. Uh,
Oh, yes. Okay, Aryasri.
Arya and me
Yeah.
are attending from the same account, so I'm also present. Okay, I just wanted you to know that.
Uh, I mean, you have given this information means you are presenting in a class, yeah?
Yes, sir, I'm also present.
You are, you are in this class. Yeah, okay, thank you. Sanskriti is present in this class. I understand. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Welcome, yeah. After completion of the solution part, let me know. Please mention in chat box. Otherwise, I will be unknown. Whether my students are doing or not, it will be unknown for me. This is the yes. Ankit GC, okay, sir, yeah. Completed. Yeah, Suyo Koirala completed. And please, 2 more minutes I have given, dear students. Please copy this. And follow the same pattern and trend in the questions given in the exercise. Biplab, Parajuli, yes, completed, sir, yes. Deepika Dakal, yes, sir, completed. Completes, oh, my work is completed, sir, yes, completed. Deepika Dakal, yes. Please, others also, I have to check whether my students have completed or not. It should be interesting. Yeah, Amrit, Suyok, Aman, Nihaljang, yes. Parvat, Bidan, yes. Puja, Baman, Ankit, Hriday, Ayush, Mahima, Niharika, Simran, what is that? Manogya Baral, Dikshit, Adhikari completed, good. Nishan, Parajuli, Aryasri, Janisha, Akriti Sharma completed, good. I believe most of the students have completed this, yeah. It's completed. Is completed. Yes. Alish, Alish, stressed. Yes. Naveen Paudel completed. Prajwal Raj Gimile completed. Yes. Okay. Now move to the next questions, dear student. Let me shift to the next model questions. That is 5 model question. Now let's start the next type of questions, dear students. In all type of questions, I have taken something new, something different. So you have to focus in all the questions different. Yeah. Now moving to the next part, dear students, look at here. It's also interesting question. Out of 100 students, okay, that is union, we understand. 80 pass in science, that's good. 71 in mathematics, that's also good. 10 failed in both subject. In previous classes also I have mentioned you that failed, here is a relation of past students, past science and maths. So failed means that is out of their union, that is complement part. And 7 did not appear in an examination. And what is that 7? Can you write? 10 and 7 both are in complement part or not? Dear students, can you respond on it? 7 did not appear in an examination. Then the 7, the number 7 itself in complement part or out of complement or in universal set or not? U complement. Oh, Ankit, this is 7 is U complement. Shoaib Kerala both in complement. Sorry, Suyog. Ankit, 7 is U complement. Yes, both are complement. Sorry for that. Alish says, no. What is no means? I couldn't understand, Parvat. Yes, anyway, I will continue. So this out of 100 students, 7 did not appear in the examination means they are out of complement. So our universal set may be less than 100, because here is the relation of student pass and fail. Those who will appear in the examination will pass or fail. But if they are not appearing, then they will not counted within our set or the universal set. So this is the important part here, students. Next step, I have written here S and M. That is the first letter of science and first letter of mathematics to represent the set. Now moving to the next part, dear students. Here I have written with the reason. Number of U equal to 100 minus 7, that is 93, because 7 students did not appear, I think. Did not, 7 student did not appear. Okay, dear students. So 18 yes, 71 in M, complement is 10 and intersection is what? That is our question. Now the next step, dear students. Do you have any confusion, dear students, about this 93? If yes, let me know. Response in chat box. I will clarify again. Otherwise, I will go further. I'll go to the next step. If problem, you can write. If not, not sir, you can write. I need your response. No sir. Yes. Okay. Now moving to the next part, dear student. Now here also we have to use the formula, because by representing the above information Venn diagram, sometimes you may have that question, first Venn diagram and solution, or first solution and Venn diagram, both you can do. Find the number of students who pass in both subject by representing the above information in Venn diagram. This is mutual understanding, like that. Both you can do this, do in this problem. Okay, now let's see what is the intersection part, dear student. Number of S, M, intersection minus complement plus in U. Many times we have repeated this formula. So here also I have not supposed any variable, because if you need to calculate the value at first, you can find it without any supposition. If you need to plot in the Venn diagram first, at that time definitely we need the variable instead of writing number of S intersection M. That variable X or Y will be best suits for the Venn diagram. So dear students, 80, 71, intersection 10, 93, this calculation part is not tough for my students, because many times we have repeated such problems. So 161 minus 93 is intersection, that is 68. I believe you understand. 68 students like to play both the games. Any problem? Who want to tell? Who want to ask who want to ask the question? Okay, maybe technical problem. Okay, now moving to the next part. If you don't know this solution, let me know. You can ask anytime. Otherwise, it's simple from my side. Now, the information in Venn diagram. This is the information in Venn diagram. Intersection part is 68, and out of 80, 68 are in intersection parts, so that is 12 is the remaining only yes, and 3 out of 71, 3 students remains in only mathematics, and complement is 10, but 7 did not appear in the examination, so that is u complement, or with not within this rectangular space or part, so that is outside this relation, so this can't be, that can't be included. Now 2 minutes time for my students, please copy this. It's 12:11 up to 12:13 you have to complete. Let's start. Oh, Manyata already done, you are clever. Sir, we have completed, good. Arya Sri Tajya, Vaibhav completed, yes. I'm waiting for 2 more minutes because other students also can copy this. Okay, they can copy. Anya, Amrit, Rashid Lami Sane, what happened? Your microphone is unmuted. Yes, thank you. If you have any genuine question, you can raise anytime. Okay, Swaswat, yes. Prakriti, Sulabh Dhakal, Amrit Paudel. Okay, last 1 minute time. Rosika, yes. Prakriti Basnet, I can see a few repeated name always. Nishan, Puja, Niharika, ये निहाल जंग, आयन चौरासिया, श्रीसा कोइराला, आर्यश्री तजा, महिमा कुबर, दीपिका, आरोग्य, दीप्ति, nice. Suyog, Akriti Sharma Lamichane, yes. Anmol Bazgae, yes. Smith Tamang, that's good. The next question. Okay. Yes, the specific time is almost completed. Now moving to the next type questions, dear student, model number 6, type number 6. Model number 6, dear students, let's discuss now model number 6 and 7 tool question, and I will start the test. Be ready for the test, but don't leave the room after starting the test, dear students. Okay, now next question. Yes, it's very interesting. Easier. No problem for my students, I believe. In a survey of 225 students, it was found 75 drink neither Coke nor Pepsi. Oh, how interesting. 95 drink Coke, 85 drink Pepsi. How many students drink Coke only? Here we have to find only part that was not discussed. And how many students drink Pepsi only? And show the above information in Venn diagram. Again, I will repeat, dear student, the question is total number of students is 225. 75 drink neither Coke nor Pepsi. You know that is complement part. 95 Coke, 85 Pepsi. But here we have to find what to find? Coke only. Then before finding Coke only, what we need, dear students, can you mention in chat box? How to find? We have to find Coke only, but before finding Coke only, what need to find? RS3, yes, intersection, sir, yes, thank you, Nikki Chantyal, intersection part. So that is not asking here, but without intersection part of two sets, we cannot find only part. That's why that is the first hidden question for us. Now moving to the next part, dear students. Here also I have suppose C and P represent the set of student. Yes, C and P, Coke for C and Pepsi for P. Next, here I have mentioned, dear student, union is 225, C is 95, P is 85, complement is 75, intersection is not the questions but hidden question. That's why this is what, only C what and only P what. I believe you understand. Before finding the complement part, sorry, only part, we need to find the intersection. That's why intersection is hidden question for this question. Now moving to the next part, dear student, here also we have used the formula. What is the formula? C, number of C plus number of P minus number of C intersection P plus complement equal to union. I believe you know the solution part because many times the solution is repeated. 95, 85 intersection. Here also I have not supposed variable because that is not required, or without that supposition also we can solve this problem. Yes, so complement part is 75. The sum of this is 225 minus intersection 225. Oh dear student, not 225. Oh, 255, and this is 225. 255 minus 225 is 30. Do you have any problem? 30 students drink both the drinks. Now, dear student, before finding A and B, can you write the answer in chat box? Please. I find the intersection is 30. Now, can you find what is only C and what is only P? Let me check your solution first. You can mention in chat box, dear students. You can write only C, I mean the solution of A, and only C and only P. Can you write? Only C equal what? Nihal Jung? Yes. Only C 55. Saswat Sigdel. 55. Only C 55. And what is only P also? Few responses I am taking. Please mention. Yeah. Only C. Only P 45. Only P45. One more response. I'm waiting for one more response. Yes, Ankit, 55. Yes, yes. RS3, both mentioning directly. Yes, yes, good. 55, 45. Good. Very good, dear students. Now I will show you number of only C equal to number of C minus number of C intersection P. Thank you, dear students, for your response. So here we have to use this formula as well. Number of C minus number of C intersection P. 95 minus 30 is 65. 65 student like Coke only, and 55 student only Coke only. The down one is which one? Pepsi only. Pepsi only. Here not Coke. This is Pepsi. Dear students, yes. That's good. Now the given information in Venn diagram, dear students, let me show the Venn diagram, the given information. I think there is no problem about it. Now you can copy this. I will wait for 2 minutes. It's 12:20 to 12:22. I will wait. If you have completed your tasks, you can respond in chat box. I'll observe. Aristri already completed. I'll read out your name. I'll observe your name. Sakshat completed. Bidan completed. Yes, good, dear students. Nihal Jang completed. Sulabh. Sri Sapokral completed. Nabeen completed. Hriday Kesi completed. Yes, many Rijays. Nikki Suyog. Okay. Uh, Griman, Jang Thapa, Suyog, Alex, yes. Manneta Gautam, good. I have completed my workshop. That's okay, dear student. Today's last presentation, model number 7. Let me move to the next presentation, dear students. Model number 7. Yes. Now, yes, Prekshasri Gurung Noi Hana Dul set. What happened? That means, what are you writing? Noi Hana Dul set. Okay, now the next questions, dear student, let me discuss. It is the questions related to question number 14 of your textbook, dear students. Okay, let me start. Yes. In a survey of 100 students, the ratio of youth, oh, sorry, students, not youth. I have changed that part. Yes. Students, yes. In a survey of 100 students, the ratio of students who like Android tablet and iPad is 3 to 5. If 20 of them like both the items, and 40 of them like none of the items, then by drawing a Venn diagram, find how many of them like Android tablet only. Oh, it's interesting question, dear students, because we know the ratio, we don't know the number. So we need to express the ratio in terms of number by supposing the variable. Now I will mention again the questions. I will read out these. 100 students are there, but set A to B, the ratio of set A to B is 3 is to 5. 20 is both, means that is intersection and 40 is complement part. Complement part is non, intersection part is known, but we don't know the number of set first and set second. The ratio of first to set set second set is given. That's why 3 is to 5. We have to use it. Now moving to the next step, dear students, I have supposed here A and B instead of tablet and IT or I or A and I have supposed A and B for Android and iPad. Now the next part, use 100, which is already given. Number of A is to number of B is 3 to 5. So let number of A is 3x and number of B 5x, because which is known, unknown. That's why which is given in terms of ratio. That's why in terms of we can convert into the number by supposing in 3x or 5x, like a variable. With the help of variable, we can change it into the number. So 3 is to 5 is 3x by 5x, because if 3x by 5x we can cancel x and the ratio becomes 3 is to 5. We don't know what is x exactly. That's why we use 3x and 5x. Now intersection 20 and union 40, there is no confusion, I believe. Now moving to the next part, dear students. Oh, we have to show the Venn diagram. That's good. Good. 20 is this only, that's why 3x minus 20. This is 5x minus 20. This is 40. I believe no confusion about this. Now, in the previous classes also I have mentioned, if you have already shown the information in Venn diagram, then without using formula also you can solve from the relation. Means 3x minus 20 is this part and 20 is this part, 5x minus 20 is this part, and 40 is this part, is whole 100 is this part union. So that 3x minus 20 plus 5x minus 20 plus 40 equal to 100. 8x minus 20 plus 20 equal to 40 minus 20 is 20. By solving in that way, 40 minus 20 becomes positive 20. 8x is 80, x is 10. We've obtained the value of x is 20. Oh, now our task is find how many of them like Android tablet only. That is only A we need to find. So only A is number of A minus number of A intersection B. Number of 3x minus 20. X is 10. That's why 30 minus 20. So it becomes 10. I believe it is also not difficult. So 10 students like Android tablets only. So this is the solution. The time is 2 minutes. You can copy or you may raise the question on this set. Otherwise we will move to the test now. I will take 4 or 5 minutes is more 4 or 5 more minutes I will take today for the test, dear student. There are 8 questions, so at least 10 minutes you need. So completed. Shall we move to the test now, dear students? If yes, please mention in the chat box. Or I should provide 1 more minute for these tasks. 1 minute, then yes. Okay, please. You can screenshot this, okay? Uh, then our test will be interesting. I will observe whether you have done or not, you engage or not. See, now I can see 78 students, maybe 3-4 members are not student. So maybe 70 of 5 students, 70 to 75 students are present in today's test. Will be, yeah. Okay, dear students, now I have to move in the next test, next part. Shall I? Yes, Denny Parbat. Thank you very much. Thank you for your response. Now to the next. Now the test. Be ready with the calculator or geometric instrument. Not needed geometric instrument. You need pen, paper, maybe you have, and calculator maybe for the best fast calculation. Thank you. Now moving to the next part, dear students. Oh, we are in the class. I will send you the class code to my students. Yes, and join. And please write your real name, okay? Please join in the class. Click there if you need the class code. I'll write the class code also here. Let me check how many students are enrolled. Till now, no students are. Let me know the problem, dear students. Near left, how many students are? Yes, this is the test time. Do you have any problem, dear students? Okay, please join in the class. Sorry, refresh, you mean? Yes, oh sorry, yeah. 43 students are in the class. Okay, 43, yes, I can see. Thank you, Sanskriti. Prakriti, Dipti, Rishika, Vidhan, Aman, Deepika, Ankit. 43. Only 43. Only 43 students are in this class. 51 students. Yes, nice. 53 students. 54. Please join as much as possible fast. Yes, 56. Very interesting talks, dear students. 56 now. 57. 58. 59. 9 students only. 9 students only. Students. 60. F5. 61. Why others are not? Still 74 members people are here. Only 61 students are presenting in the class. What is the problem? Or others? Hey, okay. Only I could see only 61 students. Okay, this is the record for 63. Okay. 63, 64. First we have to enroll once, yeah. Maybe others will enroll. Before that, I will tell you the process, dear student. 65, yes. 65. 67. 8. I will take 10 more minutes, dear student. We have to complete this activities because after this period you don't have any classes. That's why don't feel bored. Okay, this is new test for you as well. Test time. 70 students are enrolled. I believe now the students are almost 71. 71. Let's move to the 71. Maybe this is the uh, right number. Let me refresh once. And 71, yes, this is the list of the student. Julian, 71 student. Now the next, maybe down one, I have to take the presenters, those who are presenting. Sorry, N, control B, yes. Okay, dear students. Now move to the task, dear students. Now you have to click task overview. Oh, I think you are clever. Yes. Go through the tasks, dear students. I can see 3 students started 8 tasks 8. 4 student tasks. Yeah. Continue your tasks. I believe 28 students out of 71 engage in the tasks. Yes. Yes. Task 1. Yes. This is the result. Student answers. I can see who gave which answer. I can see here, dear students. Let me show you. Prakriti, Basnet and Suyog tick in 1. Sabin, Sandeep and Niharika in B. Yes, I can see those who's an record of the students, please. Yes. C. Many of the students in C. Amrit Paudel in D. I can see your name, your task activities. Please complete all the tasks. Please complete all the tasks. This is the graph of 3 students in A, 3 students in B, 31 students in C, and 0 students in D. And tasks to 5, 22, 1. Students answer. I can see the name of these students. Yes, Amrit Paudel and Nabindra. Yes, please. And tracks 3. How many students enroll? 14, 7 plus 3, 10 plus 14, 24 students. Students, those who are submitting their tasks is recorded over here. Dear students, you can see I have shown here. So, sincerely complete your tasks. This is the test. Yes. Now moving to 4 tasks. Yes. And I will show you the right answer only after few minutes. Yes, very interesting. It's very interesting. And task 5, just 23 students started. 23 plus 1 plus 1, 25. I can see your name. I will have this record. Then those who will miss the questions will be shown. So don't forget to complete the tasks. And task 6, this why, but I don't know which one is right. Task 7, yes, yes, students name I can, Manyata, Parvat, Kaniska, Arogya, Ankit, Mahima, Kiran. Write the percentage only there. Write the percentage only. So Akriti Sharma observed last question. She has submitted. Yes. Please. Let me check in first number how many students. 39, 40 plus 9, 49 students submitted 1 number questions. Please complete your tasks as soon as possible. I can see the name here. Name 2, task 2, task 3, task 4, task 5, task 6, task 7, task 8. Yes, still it is not completed. 6 student in task 8, 16 student in 7, 35 in 6, 39, 40 in 5, 55 in 1, 49 in 2. 55 students appear in 1. You can see. Don't leave the tasks. Please complete all the tasks. Then only you can move from the class. Only 6 students in task 8. So many students are waiting in task, are in task 8 waiting for that. 55 in task 1. Where are the others? Out of 71 students, 55 in 55 students completed task 1, means other students are missing still task 1 also. Please complete your tasks as soon as possible, dear students. test. Okay, dear students, now I should show the answer now. Okay, dear students, about 29 students submitted task 8, 45 by task 7. The time is almost completed because I have given these tasks before 8 at 12:30. Now it's 12:50. In 20 minutes time I have given for more 20 marks. Okay, now let's go through the right answer. What is the correct answer? And list out, check yourself, dear students. Okay, and let me show you the correct answer. Task 1, the correct answer is C. Dear students, what is the correct answer you see? Yes, C is the correct answer. 56 students got correct answer. The tick in the correct answer of first number. 57 students. Now moving to task 2. Let me show the correct answer. 46, yes, C. That is also C. 46, 47 student, 48. Don't put now here. You are increasing, yes. Now task 3, dear students. What is the right answer? Oh, many options. Many correct options. But here 2 correct options are given, dear students. Out of 4, 2 correct options are given. So you need to take in all correct. Is and are is used there, yeah. So the correct answer 30. Oh, sorry. In 3 number tasks, only 1. And maybe in 4, here are 2 options. Option A and C is the correct answer, dear students. Yes. Option A and C are the correct option. Now task 5. Can you guess which is the right answer? A. 59 students got